Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for organic chemistry exams. To truly excel, you need a systematic approach focusing on understanding, not just memorization. We'll cover mastering reaction mechanisms, effective problem-solving strategies, and smart review techniques. By following these steps, you can build a strong foundation and confidently approach your exams, ensuring you grasp the core principles of organic chemistry. Mastering reaction mechanisms is fundamental. Don't just memorize, draw out each step, showing the movement of electrons with curved arrows. This visual practice helps you understand why reactions occur and how bonds break and form. Focus on identifying key intermediates and understanding the role of different reagents. This deep understanding allows you to predict outcomes for new reactions, rather than just recalling old ones. Consistent practice is crucial for success. Dedicate time daily to work through a variety of problems from your textbook and other resources. When tackling synthesis problems, try to solve them without looking at solutions first. Discuss challenging questions with classmates to gain new perspectives. Most importantly, thoroughly review any problems you get wrong to understand your mistakes and reinforce correct approaches. For effective retention, establish a regular study schedule. Actively test yourself using practice exams to simulate the real testing environment and identify areas needing more attention. Try explaining complex concepts aloud to yourself or a study partner. This process reveals gaps in your understanding. Remember, organic chemistry is about building connections, so always prioritize a deep conceptual understanding over rote memorization of facts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.